Is the landmark judgment from the Supreme Court which gives Indian voters the right to reject. The question is, will this be a game changer in our democracy? We are getting several reactions from the political classes. While the BJP is cautious in welcoming the move, the Congress does seem to be nervous, is opposing it and questioning the purpose behind it. And the left is also opposing the move, questioning the point in this particular verdict from the Supreme Court. These are the reactions coming in from the political parties. But first, a reaction from the petitioner in this case.
It's a huge victory for India because now the voter will be a pivot for bringing in change in the entire democratic process and will be able to cleanse the political parties with these tainted and candidates with criminal background. This is the victory. They have put actually, if you want to cast your vote, don't want to cast your vote on the same pedestal. Your secrecy will be maintained.
I mean, is that for the first time the people in India are going to get the option to choose none of the above as they go in to vote. The electronic voting machines will have the additional option of none of the above. That direction has also gone from the Supreme Court to the Election Commission to implement this so that there is a button which gives voters the option to reject all the candidates standing for election from their constituency and choosing none of the above. Now, we are being joined by my colleague Madhav on the ramifications and implications of this particular judgment from the Supreme Court. Madhav, what we are seeing from the political parties is a cautious sort of approach. Now, even as some of them are welcoming it and some are opposing it, they are playing it down and they're really saying that they're questioning the point behind it and they feel it's not going to impact election results.
Absolutely, as you put it, mixed reactions coming in from various political parties. Some of them welcoming it as a victory of the voter, some of them questioning the very need for it, saying that there would be practical problems. What if a majority of voters actually go for this option? In that case, what happens? Really, of course, we will get a lot more information on this, particularly the practical problems with implementing this, if any, from the Election Commission. But the Election Commission itself, you must remember, has several of the commissioners in the past themselves have advocated for this, S.Y. Qureshi being one of them. We must remember how Team Anna's members also came to the Election Commission to actually press for this particular demand. And now, of course, the Supreme Court has directed it. There's no doubt that the Election Commission will have to implement it. The only question is by when, whether it will be, since the upcoming assembly elections for 5 states are due to happen before the 12th of December.